the planes we flew, good things we've been through.
Hello everyone, my name is Jordan, and welcome to another episode of the Minecraft Bucket Coding series. Today, we are going to be looking at 1.9. Now, 1.9 is scheduled to release the 20-something-th, I think. Let me see. I have a number here somewhere. The 25th. Yes, the 25th. And I, through the help of a pretty cool guy on Spigot, I was just looking through and I found a link to a download for this server. So, we're going to be able to start working with some 1.9 stuff, which is pretty cool. And I don't think we're going to be able to see results. We may be able to. I will take a pause before I do any testing just to make sure that we are able to test. But I wanted to start showing you guys some of the new things. Now, if I go ahead, if you go to that page that I just put right there, that link, you can see this here. You can click on this one right here. This is what you will most likely want, unless you know how to work with Maven. Then go here. Then here is the Maven repository. Of course, this is not a direct Spigot link, so be cautious. This developer could put anything here at any time. But, you know, I trust that this person will not do it. And besides, 1.9 Spigot will be released in 7 days' time? No, 6 days' time from today. So if we go ahead and pull open the Minecraft 1.9 more info thing, on the Spigot forums, it's just under home and then the first announcement. What you can do is you can go through this, read it if you want. I already have. Go ahead and click on this word get, and it will pop up some stuff here that may be useful for us. And by may, I mean yes, it will. You can see a lot of the things that have happened for 1.9. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the things I think are really cool. We have a create boss bar method. So, string S, I believe that is the message. We have bar color. So we can change the color of the bar, so we can make it like red or something. What does it need? It needs bar style. So bar, this is like how many segments it'll have. So I'm just going to go solid. And then I think it's bar flag. So we can either make it play boss music or darken sky. I'm going to make it darken the sky because I think that's the only thing we can do. Unfortunately, I don't think there's an option just to do nothing, which I would definitely like to see added, because that would help me a lot. So let's go ahead and say something like chat color.red, because I don't have my friend chat util at the moment. Hello 1.9 exclamation point, in layout of hello world. Now, I do not know if this requires we doesn't look like it requires we do anything else here. I don't know if that's... I hope that's going to create it for everyone. We shall see once we actually get on the server. So yeah, that's our first thing we have here. We can make entities glow, which will be pretty cool. So let's go ahead and make a quick chat command here. So public void on chat. Async player chat event. This is just our simple command stuff that you don't need to do through chat, but that is how we're going to be doing it today. Let's go ahead and import all of our stuff here. Event handler, player equals e.get player. If e.get message contain two lowercase contains glow. So if we're using the glow command, what we're going to do is we're going to say zombie equals zombie player get world spawn entity at player get location entity type zombie. And now we have our friend the zombie. We go ahead and set glowing true, and if we wanted to, we could take away his glowing, but we do not. And do we have probably a few more other methods that I don't have here. Yes, set villager is deprecated. So a lot of the villager things are deprecated for various reasons. You can go read up on all the changes yourself, but basically we now can set professions here. So let's go ahead and set it to be a priest. And then zombie, I mean, do we have set villager? No. So we just have set profession. So we're going to say that's all we need to do. So it is going to be a priest, and it'll glow, which would be pretty cool. And then we're just going to make it runnable to remove it, actually. Else if get message dot to lowercase dot contains glow remove. Then for entity colon player dot get nearby entities 10 500 10. That should get them in a pretty big radius. Actually, I'm gonna set this to like 20. You don't need to go all the way up. If entity dot is glowing, entity dot set glowing false. We can go ahead and make this a for each call if we are using Java 1.8, which I am. That's pretty cool. So now we have our basic method here. Let me just go ahead and get server dot get player manager register this, and now we can go ahead and spawn some glowing people, not people, entities. So another change that was quite significant is set item in hand. Okay, it's not visible in this version that I have here, but set item in hand will be deprecated. It will be replaced by, I believe, get item in main hand and get item in offhand, and that will pertain to whatever player, whatever they set as their offhand or on hand. The boat API is 100% deprecated as well. There's a few other things here that are interesting. Get furnace from furnace event, that is gone now. It was replaced by get block a while ago. Container block and painting events are now 100% gone. Particle API, this should be quite interesting. Let's go ahead and play with this a little bit. If e.getMessage.to lowercase.contains particles. And keep in mind, everyone, this is just me playing around for the first time. I actually haven't done any 1.9 developing yet, because I have nothing to do with it. So that's, yeah. Let's go ahead and say player dot, I believe it is spawn particle. And you can see we have a whole load of methods. So what we're going to do is we are going to say, let's go ahead and spawn a particle. So particle dot, and we have all of our particles here. So I believe this will be a nice, easy way to spawn our particles. Let's go ahead and spawn a heart. 1 and then 1. Actually, no, we need the location of the player. So player.get location and 1. Cool. And that's the count. So we're gonna do like 2, 3 maybe. But using this, we're able to do our complex methods that we did for not complex. I don't think I ever went over it in a video, but you were able to use complex math and graphing and all this other fancy stuff. Make cool particle effects. Yeah, you should be able to convert your system there that uses reflection to use this system, which will be pretty cool. So we have our 3 things here. Let's go ahead and just quickly, let's try testing this out, because I don't want to go too far without doing anything too crazy. As you can see, there's quite a lot of cool changes. So yeah, I'm really hyped about this. So let's go ahead and create our stuff. I will be right back as I set up a server to run 1.9 on. Alright, everyone, so I just wanted to come back here. You will need to do some fancy stuff and get in the manifest file and all this other stuff if you want to actually run your thing, which, may be a problem. So if we go ahead and try running our server here, it'll say no main manifest attribute, which I'm not too sure what that means.
It's been too long with too many wrongs. What have I done? You've forgotten the words to our song. Now it's gone. Take it back, just for one night. Take all the wrongs and pretend that we're alright. Feel the rhythm in our souls so distant, don't be so distant, so distant, distant from me, from you. You're so close, and yet so far. So I fight it, and here we are in each other's arms. Take it back, just for one night. Take all the wrongs and pretend that we're alright. Feel the rhythm in our songs, let them entwine. 'Cause you know what you do to me. It's not fair, I don't care. Take you there, make it mine before we're out of time, out of time. Let's synchronize. Come on, step with me. Let our bodies sing in harmony till the morning light. Synchronize.
Alright everyone, I've finally encountered an error that I cannot overpass, unfortunately. But we did get pretty close, I believe. We have now encountered a no such field error, which I have never ever seen before. So I have no idea how to fix. And B, this is from Spigot and Bukkit's internals. So I really have no way of doing it. Well, actually, never mind. I may have a solution. Hold on. Alright everyone, so my really dumb probably solution is download the Minecraft server jar, because that's some of the stuff we have not upgraded yet. So if we go ahead and take this and decompile this stuff, we should soon see that we have our Minecraft. Oh geez. No, that is not really helpful. Yeah, that's not helpful for us, unfortunately. But you can see that was, that was just a hunch. Yeah, I tried. But you can see we do have a way of testing this stuff here. Of course, you can't run it. Yeah, that is kind of a shame. We can't even run it, but let's see here. I'm just going to go ahead and read through this one more time. Yep, just read through a little bit more, and we are not able to actually receive the jar file for the server, so just go and wait a few days. I mean, I've been waiting a year for 1.9 to come out, so I mean, a few days is not too much to add to that. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hope this wasn't that boring. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Take care.